In this tutorial, I'll show you how to process a master shipment and split shipments for ACE. A split shipment occurs when a single PAPS entry with a single PAPS number is being taken across the border at different times due to the size of the shipment. To start, you'll need to enable the split shipment option on the Company Preferences page. To do this, navigate to the top right under the Account menu option and click Company Preferences. Once on the Company Preferences page, navigate down to the option Allow ACE Split Shipments and select Yes. Then, navigate to the top left and click Save. Your company will now have the ability to process split shipments in ACE. The first step when creating split shipments is to create a master shipment. The master shipment will be the ACE shipment that contains all of the combined shipment details. The master shipment will also not be tied to a manifest and will be unassociated. To create the master shipment, navigate to the menu option AC Manifests and select the option Start New ACE Shipment. Now, enter the shipment details such as the shipment control number, shipper, and consignee. The Attached to Trip Number field should be left blank. Next, click Save and Add Commodity at the bottom. On the commodity page, you will enter the total quantity and weight for all of the loads that will be taken for this split shipment. So enter the description of goods, the total quantity of all the shipments, and the total weight for all the shipments. Then, click Save and back to ACE Shipment. Now we're ready to send this unassociated master shipment to CBP. So navigate to Shipment Only Send to CBP at the top and select the option Send Unassociated Shipment. And in approximately 30 to 60 seconds, the unassociated shipment will be accepted by CBP. After the master shipment is accepted by CBP, you're free to create manifests for individual loads. To create a manifest for one of the loads, navigate to the menu option AC Manifest and then click Start New AC Manifest. Now, enter a unique trip number, the port of arrival, ETA, and the truck, trailer, and driver as normal. Then, click Save and Start New ACE Shipment. Now we'll enter the shipment details. So enter the shipment control number. It's important to note that the shipment control number must be the exact same number as the master shipment. This is how CBP will tie the split shipment segments to the master. Then, click the checkbox next to the shipment control number field that says Split Shipment Segment. Checking the Split Shipment Segment box will reveal a quantity box below. In the quantity box, enter only the quantity included within this split shipment segment. For example, if this truck is hauling only 2 of the 10 pieces, enter 2. Because the full shipment details are on the previously submitted master shipment, there is no need to enter the shipper, consignee, or commodity information. So click Save on the top left, and then click Back to eManifest on the top right. You'll be brought back to the eManifest details page, so look over your ACE manifest to make sure that the shipment is set to a split shipment segment and shares the same shipment control number as the master shipment with the correct shipment segment quantity. If everything's correct, navigate to the top of your ACE manifest and select the option Send to CBP. Then, click Send Complete eManifest. In approximately 30 to 60 seconds, CBP will accept your ACE manifest and the status will turn to 3 blue bars. After the split shipment segment is accepted, you will then need to repeat this process for the remaining split shipment segments.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our 24/7 support team at 1-800-596-5176. If you're not using BorderConnect, sign up for a free 45-day trial at BorderConnect.com. Get an additional 15 days free by using special promo code EasyAce.